Good afternoon. It seems ages since I did a live here. I don't think it has been that long, but there's been a lot happening, and Facebook has had an update, so it's all looking different again on here. If you're around, do say hello, and I look forward to spending a few minutes with you. We're coming up now to the closing date for booking onto Patchwork for beginners. So the closing date for that is on Monday. And Monday's a bank holiday, so I will be back to remind you on Monday. That's so that it gives me enough time to get the kit sent out to you. If you want to do the course without a kit, if you let me know, I can give you a code that will take that off the price. I know for some that are overseas, that is a good option. So I thought I'd just share with you what you're going to get in your kit. Now, I've got it all open here, but when you open it, your box, your packet, there will be 3 little packets in there with options in there. I can tell you that I've been very generous with what you're getting. You will have fabric left over. So I am making sure that you've got everything you need to either finish as a wall hanging, and that shoulder there, you can see there's one up on the wall there. Got a tab one in front of me. I shall add the picture to that shortly, or else you can do a pillow or cushion cover like this. So got all the options that you need, all the fabric for all those different options. So the first packet will have these pieces here. As you can see, they're already cut out. Got strips there, that's for your borders. And then you've got your coloured squares here to create your heart block. They're already cut for you. So I've done, that's part of the hard work. So means that you can get straight into the sewing part. So you can have fun. So your next little parcel will be some cotton wadding and some neutral fabric there. So that will be for layering up your block and to do your quilting. So that is in another little packet. So that's your first 2 stages. And there is a third packet, and in here you've got all the bits and pieces that you need for finishing. So doing a cushion cover or a little pillow, there is white fabric to create the back. For a wall hanging, you've got red fabric to go on the back. You've got binding strips for if you're doing a wall hanging with tabs. And you've got here fabric that you can use for doing the tabs on the back, on the top, or for hanging triangles. So if you use them for triangles, they will need trimming down. You can see you've got everything that you need to finish your block. You've got a choice of 4 or 5 different ways that you can finish your block. So all those discussions will be in the class. You'll get an introduction to your piecings. We've got half square triangles. We're going to be doing that piece block. We're going to introduce you to free motion quilting and straight line quilting, so you can have a go at whichever way that you try. Then finishing, you've got 2 different ways of finishing as a wall hanging. You can do a table topper, you can do a small pillow, or there's 2 ways of doing a cushion cover. All those will have video tutorials. We've got a Facebook group where you can come in and ask questions and share your photos, because we all love seeing the photos of your progress. And I'll be in there to answer questions along the way. Each week over 6 weeks, I'll be in there live to do live Q&A sessions. And of course, I'll be around to do videos and extra questions if you need it. So there's a lot involved in that class, and there's so much there for you. I'll put a link in the comments so that you can book your place. There are some places left. There is a limit to the number of places that are going to be available. I hope that you'll be joining us. As I said, kits will be going out next week. Obviously, Monday is a bank holiday. So Tuesday or Wednesday, they'll start getting in the post. And we're going to be starting the class on the 7th of September. Can't wait. So, are you going to join me? I hope so. I can't wait to have you join me while we do some sewing. This is a great beginners class to patchwork and quilting. It's been very successful in the past. It's had a major update, so I'm hoping that you'll enjoy it as well as I do, as much as I have done getting it ready for you. So, I hope you are having a wonderful Friday. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're popping in and out this afternoon, and I'll get those answers out for you. Once I come up here, I'll put the link in the comments to where you can book, and I'll also put in the photos, if you haven't already seen them on the page, of the finishes that you can have. So, enjoy the rest of the afternoon. I shall look forward to speaking to you very soon. So, take care.